Examine. Examine. To look at something carefully to learn more about it. The doctor examined the baby very well. The doctor examined the baby very well. Suspend. Suspend. To temporarily stop something. The program was suspended today for the rain. The program was suspended today for the rain. Predict. Predict. To say what will happen in the future. The result is easy to predict. The result is easy to predict. Enhance. Enhance. To improve or make something better. I work every day to enhance my skill. I work every day to enhance my skill. Acknowledge. Acknowledge. To accept or admit. She refused to acknowledge her mistake. She refused to acknowledge her mistake. Negotiate. Negotiate. To discuss something in order to reach an agreement. I need to negotiate with my boss about the price. I need to negotiate with my boss about the price. Prohibit. Prohibit. To officially forbid or not allow something. Smoking is prohibited in this area. Smoking is prohibited in this area. Commence. Commence. To begin or start something. I will commence race at 10 a.m. I will commence race at 10 a.m. Relocate. Relocate. To move to a new place. I have relocated to a new house in Los Angeles for my new job. I have relocated to a new house in Los Angeles for my new job. Refuse. Refuse. To say no to something. She refused to take medical treatment. She refused to take medical treatment. Collaborate. Collaborate. To work together with others to achieve a common goal. We collaborated on this task. We collaborated on this task. Regret. Regret. To feel sorry about something. Don't say anything you might regret later. Don't say anything you might regret later. Conclude. Conclude. To finish or bring to an end. I concluded the meeting with these words. I concluded the meeting with these words. Replace. Replace. To put something new in the place of something old. He is replacing the tires on a blue car. He is replacing the tires on a blue car.